Want to eat healthier without paying supermarket prices for superfoods? The good news is, you can grow some of the best superfoods right in your own garden. Today on CVC Gardens, I'll show you 3 powerhouse plants you can grow at home. First up, kale. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus fiber and antioxidants. The best part? It's super easy to grow. Kale thrives in cooler weather and can be harvested leaf by leaf all season long. Next, blueberries. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells and boost brain health. Blueberries love acidic soil and plenty of sun. Once established, a single bush can give you fresh berries for years. And finally, garlic. Not only does it add flavor to almost every dish, it's also an immune system booster and may help reduce blood pressure. Garlic is planted in the fall, grows through winter, and is ready to harvest in summer. Plus, it stores well for months. So there you have it, kale, blueberries, and garlic. 3 amazing superfoods you can grow right at home for better health and fresher meals. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join us here at CVC Gardens for more garden-to-table tips.